Hi guys. Hi everybody. Welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time here. I'm trying to take this craft very serious, yeah. And cute, yeah. It's just that but I'm trying. Anyways, welcome back, guys. If you are new here, go to subscribe. Do it right now so this one is like the video and comment down below. Yeah, we are starting a new vlog. I am having my matcha. It is so hot. I just made it nana. And how cute is my cup? Got this from what's the shop? Shade Street. When was that? I can't remember. But yeah, so good. The other day I went to Greenstone and I bought a few things because I'm trying to make that bathroom look a bit nice, yeah. Like I'm trying to make it look a bit nice. So I got this caddy here, storage caddy. I don't know if it's gonna fit on that space I wanna put it, but yeah, this is how. Oh, the light is too much and I don't know how to show you guys, but yeah, okay, there you go. This is how it looks like when it's mounted up. I will show you guys when it is done. And then our fridge storage egg broke when maybe 3 weeks back or 2 weeks back, and we haven't had time to buy, or maybe we haven't thought of buying a new one, so we just bought 2 of these ones from Pep. It was 70 rands. This one is 400 rands, the caddy. And then I added this one and I didn't realize it was broken, but I can't take it back because they will say I broke it after I bought it. So yeah, this is the second, what is this thing called? 3-tire rack. I do have another one that I bought a while back. I showed you guys. This one is 90 rands. And then I bought this at Shade Street. I got this bathroom mat. I bought this bathroom mat, but I'm gonna use this one. This one is gonna be next to the tap, and this one is gonna be next to the, what is that thing? The sink. So is it called the sink, right? Yeah. But I will show you guys. I also wanted a, what is that thing called? The one you put on the tap, like across the tap. I wanted a bamboo one. At Pep they had a silver one and I didn't want that. So I'm gonna keep looking because I also checked at Shade Street and Mr. Price Home. I couldn't find it. So yeah, but yeah, we are gonna make use of these 2 things in the bathroom later on today. That's if I'm not too tired to clean that bathroom because I am such a child. Huh? What am I saying? But yeah, we are starting a new vlog, you guys. It's gonna be a cleaning or a reset vlog rather. So yeah, let's get it going. Okay, the first thing I think I wanna do is to clean this fridge, especially inside, and then I will go to the bathroom. Yeah, let's do it like that. Guys, I'm going to show you the state of this fridge. It is, oh shucks. Okay, that one is fine. This one is broken, but yeah, this is how it looks, just need to clean it up a bit. Yabo? Look at this. Disgusting. So yeah.
Say you're gonna tell a little lie tonight. Say you're gonna tell a little lie. Say you're gonna lie a little lie. So I can't keep on pretending in my mind. We don't really even know reality. Lie to me, yo. Say you're gonna tell a little lie for me. Say you're gonna tell a little lie. Say you're gonna lie a little lie for me. 'Cause I really need you to tonight. It don't even matter what's reality. Lie to me, need something different. Don't care where it's from. Don't care if it's right or wrong. Don't care, I can play along. It don't matter, make it good as it's not even me. Alter ego, it could just be placebo. Placebo. It don't matter, make it good. It don't have to make sense, can't be understood. It could just be placebo. Placebo. A tiny little while that you're telling me. Tiny little while I'm playing on repeat. Let my imagination keep me company. It don't even matter what's reality. Need something different. Don't care where it's from. Don't care if it's right or wrong. Don't care, I can play along. It don't matter, make it good as it's not even me. Alter ego, it could just be placebo. Placebo. It don't matter, make it good. It don't have to make sense, can't be understood. It could just be placebo. Placebo. Close my eyes, I can feel it now, deep inside my mind. The truth is I believe the lie. Close my eyes, I can feel it now, making up this life, working overtime, keeping it alive so I can stay inside it. It don't matter, make it good, this is not even me. Alter ego, it could just be placebo. It could just be placebo. Placebo. It don't matter, make it good. It don't have to make sense, can't be understood. It could just be placebo. Placebo.
Okay, loves, now that we are done with cleaning the fridge, I'm gonna put back everything that I took out and I'll show you guys the final product. And we are done with the fridge. It's empty, but it's clean. Guys, I am taking a 30 minutes break from cleaning, and then I'm gonna cook a quick meal, pasta and mince, like quick. Let's cook.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. take me. No one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
Good morning, guys. What is that? I don't know what's happening on my lips. I don't know if it's that lip thing I am using. I feel like I am tired. Does anyone know what we are supposed to start with between these two? Are you supposed to start with the scrub or with the face wash? I mind. Anyway, today I'm gonna start with the face wash. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to yet another day of this vlog. Anyway, I finally got this. I thought it was gonna look similar to this. I knew it was blue, but I thought Ubuwakone is a bit purplish because I can't find the purple one. But yeah, today we are gonna do one of those girls. You know, it's so cute. It's really cute. It is really, really cute. I got this at Clicks for 69 rands. Love, love, love it. Anyway, let me just put some water on my face. Also, can someone tell me why I didn't tie my hair back? Let me tie my hair back. Because leyo na enzakalayo ayikho. That's better. I'm gonna start with this face wash before I go in with the scrub today. Because I feel like when you're using the scrub, you are scrubbing your face, you're opening the pores. And if you're opening your pores and your face is dirty, it will go into those pores and, you know, must never ever forget children. What I mean, it's not the king for me because Tamiam is very dark. Now, let's rinse this off. I don't want to dry it too much because I'm still gonna go in with this scrub. Oh shucks. There you go. You already know. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. I wanna start posting, not every day, but as many times as I possibly can. Like how I did to get to 1000K. I'm just not sure if I'm gonna have time to do it this time around. And because I'm always tired and it's a busy week these days, so editing is gonna be a bit difficult because that time we're not busy at work, so I'll find time to like edit the video. You see how clean my face is? Scrubbing. But yeah, that's what I wanna do. Also, you guys don't know, I post the same things literally almost every week, not even almost every week. Honestly, I think they think I am tired because what is this? Where can I hold this? I've told you about this, you guys. This is how we do. Clear deep the dreams when it comes to these oils. Truly and honestly speaking, they did the things. Also, I didn't remove that down there. This one gonna get right, and then after this we are gonna clean this bathroom. I said I was gonna do this yesterday, but I got tired after cooking and I didn't. So we are gonna clean it. We are gonna clean it. It is a very small bathroom, so much that we don't have things to put our things on, you know. And then The last thing is this. It's almost finished. I'm gonna put it out there. It's almost finished. Excuse me. I feel good, na 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 na. I know that I would, na 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 na. So good, so nice. I got you, zoom zoom. Let me go something soon. So this on my mouth, and then I'll see you guys when we are cleaning the bathroom. Just gonna comb my hair a little, and we'll sort out this bathroom. Now, while I'm complaining about it, and yet I'm going in with it again. But I love how it makes my lips shine. And close the door. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day of this vlog, and we are continuing with what we started izolo. So what I'm gonna izolo bengitheng maqeda clean fridge ngizoza la bathroom ngizoza ngiyilungisa kancane yabo, but ngivele ngakhathala after cooking, then ngathi yazi into ngizoyibona ekseni. And so yeah, I just finished doing my skincare. I showed you guys. So yeah, and I combed my hair a little. I look cute, I look nice, and then I'm just wearing this dress with a sports bra underneath. And yeah, it's not a big bathroom. It literally takes me less than 20 minutes. In fact, 20 minutes in there, maybe 15 minutes, I'll be done. And then we are gonna hlanganisa leya kid yase pep. Asi clinic. Man's busy changing the bedding this side, and he's watching this series he's obsessed with. Okay, so I have literally taken everything out. It's empty, so we're just gonna clean up. We're gonna clean the sink, the toilet, and the tap, and wipe down over there. Guys, I'm so bored. I paused the video, I don't know when, but it was when I was still busy with the wall by the tub. So when I was cleaning the rest of the bathroom, I thought I'm recording and the video iposile. Anyway, I'm done. I'm just gonna show you now while it's still empty, and then we are gonna what you call, sizohlanganisa leya khedi, and then yeah, sibuyisele yonke into. Happy long lapha. I'm so bored, but okay, it is what it is. Life of a content creator. Yeah, if you walk towards it, the walls are clean, the window is clean, except outside it's still drying up this side. The tub is clean, the toilet is clean, the pipes are clean, and the sink, so yeah, and the floors, and the door was also wiped, done. So yeah, let's back everything. So this is why I wanted one that doesn't have that space in there, but it's fine as long as when you are standing here you are not standing on the actual tile. And then this one, I'll put it like this. Hey loves, it's me. I am back. I just finished bathing. After a video I'm recording, energy record, but yeah, I'm done cleaning the house. I am starving. I'm about to eat. I'm gonna have this toasted bread with butter and peanut butter and coffee. I also cut up some orange. So yeah, that is an update. See you later. Guys, I am editing this video and I'm realizing it's way too long. So I'm just gonna end it here. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like the video, comment down below. Like yenza yonke lento right YouTube. If you can, please share. Ngizonibona kwi video yami elandelayo. For now, it is bye from me to you.